Hey everybody, we're here at Epcot today. Take a look at a lot of food and wine merch, food and wine offerings, and whatever else we can find. Let's go. All right, so first up here at Epcot, looks like they removed the braces from these. Up here, they look amazing. Let me zoom in on it really quick. They removed the braces on it. Look like they're really making some headway on this. Other than that, let's head in. So before we head into World Showcase, check out food and wine merch and everything. You know I have to go on Living with the Land. I tried to walk past this building. Just couldn't do it. Made it inside. It's only a 5-minute wait. Slowly getting used to these partitions. I feel like they're going to show up on a lot more ride vehicles very soon.
Here at Epcot, we're learning to reduce the need for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators like ladybugs and wasps to control pests. In the farmlands across America, we're learning that by plowing under vegetation containing
plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The starchy root of the plant has long been as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15 tons of produce from our greenhouses in restaurants here at the Land every year.
All right, so that's going to do it for the Land. We're going to head over to the World Showcase this time. Right over there. All right, let's go. So it is a little strange when you walk by the monorail track and you never see a monorail go by. You can hear the cars over at Test Track, but never see a monorail go by at all. Can't take the monorail here. Can't take the monorail to Magic Kingdom. Obviously, they're not running the monorail right now to Epcot because there's no park hopping at this time. You can only visit one park. So if you are staying at any of those hotels that would be on the monorail beam, just have to take a bus over to Epcot right now. There are no monorails heading over to Epcot. All right, so I'm not going to be trying anything today for food and wine, mainly because I do have someone visiting in about 10 days that I'm going to try a lot of these things with. The other reason is because a lot of the booths are selling the exact same food item they've been selling for the past 6 years. Like the Hawaii booth, still selling the Kahlua pork slider. And I feel like I've had that 5 times already of all the times that I've come to visit during food and wine. But the indoor part of food and wine with the liquid nitro cake pops, that's the stuff I'm interested in. If you didn't know already, there's a temporary Starbucks right in between where the World Showcase starts over here. Right behind the restrooms right there is the Figment building. And then over here we have the entrance into Canada. So it's kind of just sandwiched inside. I think they have the full menu right now, and they also give out waters if you just ask for one. But yeah, since the old Starbucks building is completely demolished, they built this one temporarily for right now. All right, I'm gonna make a U-turn actually, and I'm gonna head to Mexico. That's the way I always start. Which way do you start? Leave a comment down below. At least that's what I've heard other YouTubers say. I don't know. So I still can't find any extra large Disney face masks. I've been looking for a very long time. I got one Baby Yoda extra large mask at Disney's Hollywood Studios weeks ago. And then I also got I guess it's a Halloween with like treats and pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns on it, extra large, but those are the only ones I ever saw. And now they're just out of those as well. Even those two types, no extra larges. If anybody knows where they have extra large masks, please message me or leave a comment or something like that, because I'd really like to know where they are. All right, so take a look at this Three Caballeros t-shirt. I really like this. Jose, Donald, Panchito. That's a really cool shirt. I know at least 2 other people that would love to buy this shirt. All right, so I'm trying to decide between the Simba one, Tigger, or this Teacups one. I already have the Stormtrooper one at home. The only problem I have with it is that the collar is really big. Like, just the first time I put it on, the collar was massive. It seemed like someone had stretched it out before I even got it or something. The other ones look fine. I really like the Simba one. I think this is the one I might get. Not today, but in a few days, I'm sure. I don't know. The Teacup one's cool, but something about that Simba one I really like. So I've been seeing these around a lot. Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Animal Kingdom. These are long sleeve Walt Disney World shirts. They're not Spirit jerseys, and they're $45. They're not the $75 Spirit jerseys that we all know. They're just long sleeve shirts, but they have the Disney World logo on the front. And then on the sleeve, it just says Walt Disney World. Just depends on which one you get and what side it's on. But that's it. There's nothing in the back, nothing else. They're very light, not too heavy. But yeah, I've been seeing these a lot. I might have to grab one soon. Okay, now into the Flower and Garden Festival stuff. Not food and wine, but flower and garden. It looks like they have a small sale going on select products for Flower and Garden, 30% off right now. There's a lot of stuff in this booth. This booth is right at the entrance to the World Showcase, so we haven't made it to Mexico just yet. But yeah, they have some coffee cups, t-shirts with Minnie on them, Flower and Garden Festival 2020, mugs. There's even phone cases down here. These are all very nice. I like the light colors. Ooh, there's a Spirit jersey. I wonder if this is 30% off. Here's the back of it. It's got a nice little Epcot ball. It's got Minnie. It says World in Bloom. And it's got a lot of the little showcases behind it. It's pretty cool. Got nice little bucket hats. A couple more coffee mugs. We got a decent amount in here. I like the Spirit jersey. Spirit jersey's like tie-dye. All right, now we got some actual food and wine merchandise over here. We got a few cups on display over here. Salt and pepper shakers. 9 non-hydro flask. Some nice t-shirts. These I believe are for wine. This is one of my favorites, the Food and Wine hoodie. It's got a really cool design on the front and on each sleeve. I really like it. They got cutting boards. They got these nice little trays that I've seen at other festivals where you put your drink in there and then the food items on the tray. You can take it wherever you want to go. I really do like these glasses. I might have to get one. These glasses, they have Minnie, they have Mickey, they have Figment over here. And then, of course, Chef Remy. At the bottom, it actually has the Epcot ball logo. So when you're looking into it, you can actually see the Epcot ball. I like that they have the Figment one, and it's a pass holder. I'm guessing it's a pass holder exclusive, but I'm not sure. It's got Epcot on the plate, and it's purple. I love that it's purple as well, because it's Figment. Why not? They got a few ears with grapes on them and what looks like cork for the fabric. And they have a couple other, got wine glasses, stemless, and a few t-shirts over here. Stickers, cutting board. It's pretty cool. All right, making our way out of the festival market, and we are still not in Mexico, but we're heading in right now. So really quick, when I was here the last 2 times I visited, this stand was not open at all. This margarita stand was completely closed. There was nothing in there. Everything was empty. It was blocked off. There was nobody in there, and now it is open. And they are serving margaritas to everybody. They got like 3 or 4 cast members back there serving margaritas. The line is about 10 people deep. That's pretty nice. That's a nice change, and that might be really good for the parks. It means there's more people here, more people buying things. We'll see what happens. So I heard a rumor that this bakery in Norway is open on the weekends, but not during the week. And it kind of got confirmed by this sign right here outside the bakery. They are serving school bread at the Norway kiosk Monday through Friday, not Saturday and Sunday, which at Epcot are the 2 busiest days that they have. So it looks like that rumor may be true, and I think I'm going to try and come back on Sunday and see if this is actually open and go in and get at least school bread and something else. But if anybody else is wondering, the bakery is closed during the week. I will come back this Sunday, more than likely, and try and see if it is open on the weekends. But for now, if anybody's got a hankering for school bread, head over to the Norway kiosk Monday through Friday. So right before the entrance into Germany, we have a couple little booths here. This one is Flower and Garden. They have nice little Flower and Garden t-shirts. They got the trash cans that are salt and pepper shakers, nice little phone cases, and some nice little hats. Sweet as can be. I like that. I like the coffee mugs too. So unfortunately, this festival market kiosk is closed, but this one is open. It's got the Brews Around the World, 25 years. The Brews Around the World t-shirt's kind of cool. I like that it has the Epcot logo with the different colors. And then on the back of it is actually this same logo. So that's the back of the t-shirt. It's just the same logo as that one. But the front I like is just really cool. I like t-shirts that have small logos on the front, especially on the top left of the t-shirt, and then a big logo on the back. Not that big a fan of t-shirts that have huge logos on the front and then no logos at all on the back. All right, made it over to Germany. Looks like there's a lot of people here. This is where everybody's at over in Germany right now. They got the Werther's Original store open. Smells amazing. But this beer cart's open. Pretzels and beer. This was not open the last time I was here. I'm really glad it's actually open and they're actually serving people. It's really cool. All right, so in between Japan and Morocco, it's a nice little festival market. It's got a lot of the same stuff as the other ones, but it has aprons, spirit jersey with a mini on it. It says Queen of Cuisine. They got a couple coffee mugs, tank top, and some bowls, and a nice little turvis. I really like this turvis. It's really nice. This is the front of it. And the back. But yeah, I like the spirit jersey a lot. The spirit jersey looks really cool. All right, so we made it over to France. This is the crepe stand right here. I'm actually going to head over to the Skyliner really quick and take a trip, see if I can't be right over Ratatouille, see if we can't see any changes, improvements, or anything else like that. All right, so the time is 5:50. Epcot closes at 7. I should have plenty of time to take the Skyliner over to Caribbean Beach and then just take it right back again. Let's go for a flight. So to me, this whole area is brand new. Off in the distance there, you can kind of see the new ticket booths that used to be over by where the security lines are, and restrooms. And the station for the Skyliner is very, very, very pretty. I like what they've done with almost every aspect of it. It looks really good. All right, we made it inside.
Have a good night, guys.
Bye.
Have a good night,
All right, here we go. Heading to the turning station and then over to Caribbean Beach. Okay, we're gonna go right over where Ratatouille is. You can see it right here. There's restrooms on the right-hand side. On the left, they've done a lot of work. Last time I was here, a lot of this road was ripped up, but looks like there's gonna be like a restaurant right there. That's a Crepier? I believe that's gonna be the main entrance. Ooh, you can see the sign with Cousteau on it. Wow, look at that. They've done so much already. There's a lot going on. That looks like it's gonna be the extended queue. There's a nice little fountain with Remy and a bunch of bottles of wine or champagne. They're ready to go. I bet that as soon as they can go back to full capacity again and they're getting decent crowds, that's when they'll finally open this thing. I think my favorite part of the Disney Skyliner is the view. The view from almost every station to station and everything in between is really cool. The views are amazing. And this view of Disney's Riviera is spot on. It looks really cool. Oh, you can see the balloon. Hold on, there's one coming by. All the way out in Disney Springs.
Gentlemen, welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If this is your final destination, please prepare to disembark. If you are traveling...
Okay, so here's the show building, which is a massive, massive show building for Ratatouille. And they're still working on a lot of stuff. They got these guys working on top of that building right there, right where the main entrance is supposed to be.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving at Epcot. This concludes your journey aboard the
I love
Disney
little
Skyliner.
Gusteau sign
All
right there.
passengers must disembark at this station. Return service is available. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
Look how much room they added on to Epcot to accommodate that
Please remain
attraction,
seated until the doors
restroom, and everything else.
When
So I'm at the indoor area for Epcot Food and Wine in between the UK and Canada. I like this shirt right here with Figment popping out. Little pocket. They also have a sweatshirt here. It's not a hoodie, but it is a sweatshirt. This is the front of it. It's got like a rainbow on each sleeve all the way down. And then this is the back of it. So I couldn't stay away. I'm totally gonna get one of the Nitro Cake Pops with Twix on it. Last time I was here, I got the one with M&Ms and it was delicious. Had to get this shot. It makes it look so much cooler than it really is. All right, liquid nitrogen cake pop with Twix. Delicious as always. Oh no! Time is now 7 o'clock. Epcot has closed for the day. Time to head out, back to the car and back home. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am thankful for all of you. In case of fire, remain calm. See you all next time.